Hello guys, today I gonna show you how to see private snap of every Snapchat user you want, which the person sent and received in last 48 hours, without letting him or her know. So the first step you have to do is to navigate to playarn.pw website. You've got the address here. Then you need to scroll down and you've got the step 1, type victim's username. So you have to type the name which the person have on his Snapchat. So we're gonna use my test account. I can show you the name. Then you press show snaps. You have to wait a few seconds. And yeah, we've got received the snaps. So now what you have to do, you have to confirm that you are not a robot, you are a human. So you press here. Yeah. Now you've got some simple task to do. In most cases it's free. You have to visit the website, press the button somewhere, sometimes type your email address or download a free app for your mobile phone or for your computer or extension to your browser. It depends where you came from. So I'm gonna fill the first action. I can show you this, so I will cut the video here. And if you did the action, you press verify and you gonna be redirected to the result page. And yeah, I've got all the Snapchats. You can see the pictures and the videos here. You can see details, so who was the person that sent the picture, or our victim, where our victim sent the picture or the video, the time and everything. I heard that they are working to download the text messages, so it's gonna be here in few days probably, I don't know. So thank you for watching. You've got the link in the description. Enjoy.